Welcome to MDFU, Man the F Up University. Today our quote from Robert Kiyosaki, an American businessman and author, known for the Rich Dad, Poor Dad series of personal finance books. Financial freedom is available to those who learn about it and work for it. Robert Kiyosaki lifespans from 1947 to present day. In this video, we're going to break down the basics of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology for beginners. So let's go. First, what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional money like dollars or euros, cryptocurrencies are decentralized. This means they're not controlled by any government or financial institution. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, created in 2009 by an unknown person or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, thousands of other cryptocurrencies have emerged, such as Ethereum, Litecoin, and Dogecoin. Yes, Dogecoin started as a joke featuring the Shiba Inu dog meme, but gained popularity over time. So how do these cryptocurrencies work? Enter blockchain technology. Blockchain is the technology that makes cryptocurrencies possible. Imagine a digital ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. Each group of transactions forms a block, and these blocks are linked together in a chain, hence the name blockchain. Because blockchain is decentralized, no single entity controls it, making it secure and transparent. Everyone in the network can see the transactions, ensuring trust and integrity. To get started with cryptocurrency, you need a digital wallet. Digital wallets can be software-based, like apps on your phone or computer, or hardware-based, like a USB stick. These wallets store your cryptocurrencies and allow you to send and receive them. You can acquire cryptocurrencies in several ways: buying them on cryptocurrency exchanges, accepting them as payment for goods and services, or mining them. Mining involves using computer power to solve complex mathematical problems. When a problem is solved, the miner gets a reward in the form of cryptocurrency. However, mining can be resource-intensive and costly. So why should we care about cryptocurrencies and blockchain? They have the potential to revolutionize many industries. For example, they can provide financial services to people without access to traditional banking, make transactions faster and cheaper, and create new ways of organizing and verifying information. Plus, there's the speculative aspect. Some people have made significant profits investing in cryptocurrencies. But remember, it's a high-risk game. Prices can be extremely volatile, so always do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. What's the future of cryptocurrency and blockchain? It's hard to predict. Some experts believe they'll become a mainstream part of our financial system, while others think it might be a passing trend. What's certain is that they're changing the way we think about money and transactions. Now that's a quick introduction to cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. From MDFU University, we hope this video was helpful. And if you did find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, share with a friend, and hit the bell icon to get notified about our future videos. And until next time, remember, man the F up.